What's popping, y'all? It's Kai Gadiana from the book like, and I'm coming to y'all with my first actual seafood boil. And today's seafood boil, we just gonna be talking about this gonna be like a little story time. Well, let me tell you what I got first. I got some snow crabs, and y'all know I had to get some crawfish, and I got some shrimp. And I got a little bit of seafood salad over here. And I got some lemon juice. Because I prefer lemon juice instead of, all the other. Yeah. Because this is already sauteed in garlic, butter, and hot seasoning. And plus, y'all know I had to drown it in some hot sauce because I love me some hot sauce. And I got me a bottle of water over here. And a can of Pepsi, because I like me a little can of Pepsi so I can, burp and stuff. This full stuff. Yeah. So, let me tie my hair up. And then I'm going to get started on this good stuff, because, y'all, I love me some seafood. And, yeah, I got to get into it over there. Yeah, today was a good day for me in Philadelphia, because yeah, it's always some crazy stuff going on out here, and that's basically what my story time going to be about. It's going to be about crazy old Philly. I moved out here when I was 17 years old, right? Been crazy ever since, yeah, crazy ever since. I moved out here when I was 17 years old. I moved to North Philly. Craziest place to move to, craziest. It be a lot of stuff going on out here, y'all. Like, especially where I live at. I'm gonna start with this snow crab. I don't even care about that crawfish. Especially where I live at, y'all. I'm gonna even be posting that. I'm gonna be posting some of that up here too, because I'm gonna show y'all where, I live at and stuff. Like, what be going on over here. These people is crazy, y'all. Like, they call my little neighborhood, Zombie Land or whatever. Yeah. Crazy. Like, crazy. The people out here be doing anything. Yeah, let me tell you about my Lyft drivers. I don't know where else this be happening at, but yo, the last couple of Lyft drivers I've been getting, every time I get in a car, they smoking a damn cigarette. And I'm just like, first of all, y'all know if people got asthma. Y'all not even asking, like, okay, are you uncomfortable with this? Like, or are you uncomfortable with this? Like, y'all just lighting up cigarettes. Then you know it's cold, so y'all got your window up. Where do you think that's okay at? Like, I mean, I know that's your car, but where do you think that's okay at? You know what I do. Put my little 1 star. Because to me, that's very unprofessional. You telling me while you driving somebody somewhere for a couple of minutes, you can't not smoke a cigarette. Like, you need a cigarette that bad. You need a cigarette that bad. It's crazy, y'all. Then the other day, this lady on my block, mind y'all, this stuff already messing with my nose. Mind y'all, it's pouring down raining. I'm talking about pouring down. This lady got on a dress and heels, long black dress, not long, like little, like to her knees. She goes and get high. Why this lady jumping around in puddles, mud puddles, laying down on the floor? I'm talking about stretched out like she on her bed, laying down. I'm like, what is going on? The cops came. She said, I'm HIV positive. Don't touch me. I know my race. My race. Something wrong with me. Nah, that's because I be talking too fast. But she like, I know my rights. She said, what she say? She said, excuse my language. She said, I was fucking half of y'all on the fourth. She said, I was fucking yelling, like she was going in to the cops. She said, don't touch me, don't touch me. It had like they had like 12 police officers trying to get her off the block. Like 12 police officers, y'all. I'm like, oh no, I gotta get out of here. Like the stuff that be going on around here is crazy. Y'all, the stuff that I've seen since I lived in Philly, I've seen the most craziest stuff out here that I would have never thought that I'd see. Like the craziest stuff. I don't even invite my family out here. Like, not that I'm better or anything, it's just my family not used to stuff like this. Because I'm not used to stuff like this. So it's like, don't get me wrong, I invited my mom. Like, my mom came to Philly like once or twice. Well, not to Philly, but to my house like once or twice. My twin sister came to my house like once or twice. And two of my older siblings came to my house one time. Other than that, I don't invite. Oh, and my nephew came. Two of my nephews came one time. And it took for them one time to see like, oh no, this ain't where I want to be. And don't get me wrong, like, I live here because it's like, it's not bad, like, inside of, like, you get what I'm saying? Just because the area bad don't mean, like, you know, inside of my house is bad. And I don't care about these people. I do live here. I don't care about these people. I don't try to make friends or none of that. And like I said, I lived out here since 2017, and no, I still didn't try to make any friends. Because I don't care for these people out here. Yeah, these people is crazy. Oh my God. These people is crazy. But like I was telling y'all, zombie land. Every time I turn around, the corners of my block, like around the corners and stuff, it's actual people sleeping. Look, my hair fell. It's actual people sleeping. Like sleeping out there. Like on mattresses in the winter. Right now, like actual people sleeping on the ground outside. Blankets, sheets. Like it's their home. Like that's their actual home. I be feeling so bad. I helped so many people since I've been out here. And I'm not saying that just like, but I hate to see people going through stuff like that. Like, I wish I could open my door to everybody, but everyone has their own situation. And some people really crazy. Like, it don't matter how bad I feel. I know that I can't just open my house up to any and everybody. Even with the space. I just know, like, all right, Kaka, that's not the right thing to do. But as far as helping people, yeah, I'm helping people out here every other day. I'm giving away my clothes, my sneakers. Some lady was just walking down the street the other day. She said she said that she just got off work from, it was early in the morning. She just got off work. Yeah, she was so cold, so cold. All I could see was just, her face was so red, yeah. I'm like, let me give you a sweater. No, I got a room around the corner. I'm about to go to this room. Hopefully this man let me in. I just was feeling so bad for y'all. I just wanted to be like, oh, I got a room. You can stay here. But, yeah. People is crazy. Can't open up my doors to everybody. Can't open up my doors to everybody. This man I used to know. Well, that I know. Not I used to know. Craziest person you'll ever meet. Funniest person you'll ever meet. I ain't gonna mention his name in here, but yeah. He the funniest person I met out here. This guy is a clown. But don't get me wrong, he get real annoying. I had to kick him out of my house. Yeah, I had to pull a knife out on this man. Tell me why he was in my house, right? He got so high that he gonna come to my house. So I don't like when people come to my house and sit on the furniture, right? If you outside all day, yeah, I'm a different breed. If I'm outside, like, it don't even matter if I was out there all damn day. I'm not gonna go in nobody's house and just sit on their furniture. Like, that's just not me. This guy gonna come and try to sit on the couch. Then I say, get up. He talking about he not doing nothing. Yo, I had to pull a knife out on this man. I say, you're gonna get out of my house. You're gonna get out of here. Then he wanna come back apologizing. No, I don't wanna hear that, because you clearly don't know how to act when you get a little bit high. That's one thing I hate. Me, I do my little dues, but I'm never gonna be outside all messed up in front of people, and no, that was never me. If I'm too messed up, I'm gonna be in the privacy of my own home or somewhere where I'm comfortable enough to be, messed up. Yeah, I'm killing these crabs. This is the first thing I eat all day. I believe it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I was thinking about this last night. Something is really wrong with me. I knew that I was really addicted to seafood when, like, as soon as I get done. And yeah, every time I'm done eating seafood, while I go to sleep, a fat mess. But anyways, I know I was addicted, crazy addicted. When, like, as soon as I get done and I wake up or something, I be like, I want some seafood. And I just got finished eating all of this. Yeah, excuse me. It's a fat mess. It's a fat mess. And that's why I made a YouTube channel, because if y'all know me, y'all know I eat seafood every day. And I'm just like, well, I sit and eat seafood by myself, so why not sit and eat seafood with a bunch of people who like watching people eat seafood like me? Because I be watching y'all. B-Love, I be watching you. It's Winnie, I be watching you. Nigga Caro Avocado, I be watching you. I love y'all. Some of y'all, like, I really do. It's Kim. I be watching y'all. Let me eat a little bit of this seafood salad. It's half and half mixed with Cajun and regular. This is good. Yeah, I'm already like 15 minutes in, and I'm full. But I'm gonna eat this. Y'all gonna see me eat this. And no, I ain't editing my videos. So if you want to skip, you want to skip. But no, I ain't editing none of this. Y'all gonna see the raw meat, the raw Kageti. Y'all finna book like him. And yeah, share and subscribe and stuff and stuff. Yeah, I was gonna get on here and record me braiding and gluing my wig down. Cause this wig a little frontal piece kind of drawing. So I was gonna get on here and record that or whatever. I don't know how I feel about that. Cause it's definitely not glued there right now. The braids was taking forever, sis. And I'm just like, you know what? They can't see under my motherfucking... Sorry, no. Let me stop. But y'all can't see that it ain't glued down. Y'all wouldn't know. Unless I told y'all. And I told y'all. So, oh well. Y'all. I got a god baby on the way. And the gender reveal is coming up. And I just want to tell my god baby mom what she having so bad. And it's crazy because I already started going shopping. And nobody knows what she having but me and her mom. And I'm so I'm so damn obsessed that I started buying all of this stuff, and at the gender reveal, after they tell her what she having, I'm gonna just pop out with my garbage bag full of stuff. Because if I don't find a gift bag yet, then I'm gonna just put my stuff in a big garbage bag. Because I started going crazy. And after they announce what she having, or she do her little thing, and then the color come out, I'm like, ooh, what was that? I'm like, now here goes my gift. Ooh. Like, look at all the stuff I got my garment. And her crybaby stuff. Her crybaby stuff. Her crybaby self better not start crying. I don't got time. I'm like, girl, shut up. I could tell she wanted to decorate her room and stuff. So what I did was, we already started buying, like, you know, little shit like the, you know, stuff the baby gonna need. And she started decorating her room a little bit.